Yan, nagsha-shopping si Aling Maliit. Sige, kuha ka pa, dali.
Kuha ka pa lang.
Si Aling Maliit, nagsha-shopping. Sige. Sige pa.
Oh, tangina. Baka pati tatay mo at nanay mo, lola mo pati lola mo at lolo mo bino yan.
Ikaw, yung mama mo, binigyan ko pang shopping, ha? Sige. Ilan pa? Kano ba isa? Mura lang naman.
83 isa.
Okay na yan.
Okay na, tara na.
Ibalik mo na rin at ayaw niya rin ng bata.
Oo nga. Timplan Tayo ba ko nga
Aling Maliit, gusto mong chocolate? Ha? Ano sinabi pag pangit? Ano sabihin mo? I'm beautiful.
Beautiful.
Pag sinabing maitim, ano sasabihin mo? Beautiful skin.
It's so pink.
Oh, di ba? Si Aling Maliit yan. Gusto mong marshmallow? Alin? Yung di kulay o puti? Yan, o kunin ka na. Baka na.
Ayan pa.
Ano ba yan?
Yung chocolate ko na
Hindi naman masarap to. Tiray. Hindi to masarap.
ito.
Oh, ayoko ng mga sugar. Sobrang sugar. Dito, ano pa yung gusto mo?
Ito, gusto mo?
Ano yan? Ay, hindi maganda yan. Puro candy. Ano? Huwag mong turo ng candy. Pakukuha ko ng ano. Tigisa kayo. KitKat. Oh my God. Okay na?
Ito na? Ano siya na?
Yun lang. Tama na yun. Meron na dito. Walang lasa yan. Ito na. Kikayo.
Ayun na lang daw.
Ito na lang. Ay, kala ko KitKat.
Wag yan.
Ay, wag. Machuchok ka dyan.
Bad. Dati lang yan.
Meron ka ng chocolate. Ano pa?
Ayun lang. Bawal na sa bawal sa
Bawal yung candy. Ayoko yan.
bawal lang.
Ano ba to?
Naglag.
Ano ba to? Cookie?
Hindi po. Chocolate.
Ay, puro ano yan. Chocomucho.
Gas tank.
Ano gusto mo? Ito? Ah, ito? Okay.
Ito daw gas. Ito?
Wag yan.
Huwag ba?
Ah. Ikaw, kuha ka din dalawa. Dalawa kayo, ha? O, tapos na, ha? Anong sasabihin mo? Ano?
Beautiful.
Ano, beautiful. Pero ang sasabihin mo sa akin, kasi binili kita, binigyan kita. Ano sasabihin?
Beautiful.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. O, sige.
Thank you po.
Ikaw, ano sabi mo?
Thank you po.
Okay.
Ah,
Anong kinakain mo?
French fries.
French fries? Saan ka kumakain? Yeah, baby. Anong pangalan mo?
Free.
Anong pangalan mo?
Free.
Pangalan mo?
Free.
Di ba ikaw si Mika?
Dala niya ilang taon?
Ano sabi pagkasabing pangit?
Pangit.
Ano sabi ko? Pag tinawag kang pangit, ano isasagot? I'm beautiful. dito na po nagtatapos ang ating vacation for 28 days and going back to my family.
Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items. Smoking and vaping in the aircraft are strictly prohibited. This includes the use and charging of e-cigarettes. Also, tampering with lavatory smoke detectors is a serious offense. Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode, and please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. Charging of devices during
Look who's getting my luggage. My eldest. Put it on the floor for now, Papa Love. You match with my suitcase.
Yes.
Carry. That one. Go harvest. I want to show you in my video. Oh, look at that. I like this. This one is a seed, a good buck.
Oh, this one is there?
No, that's different.
Oh, okay. Because
Look, Oma, look how much the lettuce that I asked you to try.
how did you do that?
I just plant all the seed when I left. I
So
throw
how
it.
will you eat that one?
Huh?
Salad? How will you eat it?
Pickle with salt, and then later on eat it. Psst. Pickled mustard. You salted to keep it for longest time. Oh, look how what happy lady it is.
Huh?
Happy lady, right? With all this vegetable
It's not a California. I'm in what do you call?
in New Hampshire.
No, California. They're picking an oranges and
Yeah.
what did you call those? I better not name anyway. Take a picture.
Yeah, I need to clean some of that because I know there's a lot of black cherry tomato will grow in there. Look at all this. This is my favorite. This is broccoli rab, I think. So I'm gonna.
Everything is your favorite. You wouldn't eat.
I am gonna eat. That's why I'm harvesting. I plant it. Doesn't mean I favorite to eat it. It can be my favorite to plant. Is that all right? Right?
Yeah, you are 60.
Huh?
You are 60.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you enjoy it, but next year, 80 year old, I don't know, you might want
Okay, Ma. Oh, Ma. Here, don't grab here, okay? This line. The line here outside the bed, I make it one by one. So I have some radishes already coming up, see? See that? Radishes.
What about this one?
You can get that. Don't worry. Just be careful because there's mixture of broccoli rab. Look at that, all big.
I'm glad to come out. It smells good too.
Mm-hmm. At ito po kaganda ang ating bulaklak sa harapan. Good morning mga kamamits. Ito pa po. Yan, ang ganda-ganda po niyan. Ayan. At hanggang dito po tayo. Lord, thank you for all the blessing. Like I said, blessing come in the different ways. Look at my flower. Beautiful flower. Right there. And then this is the burgundy. See that? I love it. Hanggang doon po sa taas ayun.